On Sunday, President Trump made a bold move by signing an executive order to officially rename the Gulf of Mexico as the Gulf of America, declaring February 9th as Gulf of America Day. This proclamation, signed aboard Air Force One, emphasizes the Gulf's vital role in our nation's history and economic strength. The Gulf of America, stretching from Texas to Florida and beyond, is now recognized for its contributions to American trade and development. Trump urged all Americans to celebrate this momentous occasion with ceremonies and activities that honor the region's significance. The U.S. Coast Guard has already adopted the new name in official communications, marking a significant shift in our national narrative. This renaming is not just a title change, it's a restoration of pride in our heritage, a recognition of the greatness that defines our nation. As we embrace this new chapter, let's come together to commemorate the Gulf of America and its enduring legacy in our great nation.